Zigens komt de stoomboot uit Spanje weer aan. Hij brengt ons Sint-Nicolaas, ik zie hem al staan. Hoe huppelt zijn paardje het dek op en neer. En draaien de wimpels af, heen en alweer.
Sinterklaas kapoentje, gooi wat in mijn schoentje.
Gooi wat in mijn laarsje, dank u Sinterklaasje. Sinterklaasje, bonne, bonne, bonne. Gooi wat in mijn lekker tonne. Gooi wat in mijn laarsje, dank u Sinterklaasje.
Tot morgen, Sinterklaas.
Now, good morning. Sinterklaas, Sinterklaas, are you there? Come on. Huh? What did we get from Sinterklaas? Ooh, wow!
Oh, dat is mijn schoen.
No, show us what you got.
Wauw, dat is veel.
Thank you, Sinterklaas.
Dank u Sinterklaas.
And for Mama and Papa.
Mandarijn, mama.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you,
Sinterklaas.
Sexy ba sa akong Mr. for today's ba? Siya ang may suot nung ano niya. It's really his. It's really his, guys.
Yeah, it's mine. You always steal it.
Mag ik dat eten?
No, baby love, later. Not now. Itong isa, ang damit ko ang suot niya. Kay mamaya magpapugi yan siya para warm lang siya ba kay kalamig. Because it's so early. First, breakfast. Pag sure. This one you can. Oh yeah. This one you can have. Paper note for you. Asha beef. So ito na nga. This is the day that the Lord has made, that the Lord has made. For this is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. For this is the day that the Lord has made. Is the day! Magiging Dutch na ang Inday ninyo, guys! Manunumpa na tayo mamaya! Kaya magpaganda po tayo for today's vlog.
Yay!
Now, what will happen today? Mama will be a...
Netherlands.
Yeah! Dutch in English.
Stop.
Yeah! Woo! Ito pa. May chito pa ako sa inyo. Alam niyo kailan ko nalaman na magiging Dutch na ako?
What is
What do you want?
this?
What is that na?
What is this?
What?
What?
Which one?
This.
This one?
They.
This one?
Yes.
That's for you. So, yun na nga. Kailan ko nalaman? Nung nandoon tayo sa Den Haag. Yung tumawag si Daniel. Grabe ang mga pangyayari. Uy, pero naisip ko ba, okay na lang din. Uy, nakaano na din man tayo. Nakagala-gala doon. Kaya makuha ko ang passport ko, guys, before tayo magpinas. Oo, mabilis masyado makuha ang passport dito. Mag-apply ako ngayon. 5 to 6 days lang. Kuha na agad po siya. Makaabot pa siya. Hindi ko na sana kailangan ng visa pa Japan. Kasi po ang mga Dutch, very strong po ng passport nila. Nakadami pong mga countries na pwede po nilang puntahan na walang visa. Kaya, yun. Pasalamat na lang din. Kinakagala tayo. Salamat na lang din ako. Kasama po si Bianan today. May lakad po talaga dapat siya. Oo. Very special yung lakad niya, guys. Kinansila niya. Kasi mas importante daw na nandyan siya pag naging Dutch na ako. Kasi yung lakad niya po, grabe tsura ko. Yung lakad niya, meron siyang friend na sa work po niya, nakatagal-tagal na ba. So, ang ginagawa nila, makita yan sila once a year lang po. Makita sila. Kinansila niya pa. Because this is the day. After 8 years! Chika tayo ng chika. Pakainin ko pa pala itong anak ko, guys. Bread? You want bread? Pretzel? No, we're eating later. We're eating out later. Alas 10 po yung appointment namin. Nag-alarm ako ng alas 7 kaya maligo nga. Naunahan pa ako ni Daniel na maligo, guys. Masama na masyado ang pakiramdam ko. Sa totoo lang. Ang sipon ko, mas nag-ano po siya,
My
thick.
upper is my neck pain.
Yung neck is far. Happy pa yung neck?
Kribo.
Sa damit. Yung tag sa damit. Okay, no, come on. Sino? Natawa na lang talaga kami ni Daniel kay pagka open niya talaga sa letter na magiging Dutch ka na sa ganitong araw. Sabi ko, sus! Grabe na ang mga gastos! Tapos magiging Dutch lang din pala. Naisip ko nga, okay lang. Naging masaya man ang mga subscriber natin. Kita sila ng ibang lugar. Yun ang importante. Nakalabas din tayo ng bahay. Nakapag-me time po tayo. Nakain tayo ng ramen. Breakfast is ready! Enjoy! Kain na po si Nathan. Mag-prepare na ako, guys. Preparean ko ng damit ang mister ko kay baka kahit anong t-shirt na naman ang kunin nun ba. Sapat pogi ang lahat no kay formal baya. Pero magdala ako ng sapatos kay magsandal ako doon. Magdala tayong sapatos kay palamig baya. At magsandal tayo ng pa-formal din. Yes, kay iba ito. Magiging Dutch tayo. Dapat paghandaan. Ito ang sandal ko, itong red. Kaya why? Grabe, ngayon pa talaga tayo magkasakit. Garilyo na naman ang kapitbahay namin ba? Amoy na amoy dito. Bad trip. Pag magsigarilyo kasi sila dyan, yung ano namin, yung bintana po namin, may kunting ano po siya. Ay para hindi din tayo maano dito ba, mapuot. Ano yan? Basta may ventilation. Okay na guys. Natapos ko ng aking mag-ama. Ako naman, mag-transition tayo in 3, 2, 1. Hindi normal. Ang naramdaman ko guys, magparasitan muna ako. Grabe kaya ang Inday Garnet bigay po to sa akin ni Dayan. Katagal-tagal na, ngayon ko lang po talaga na masuot ito. Mag-read tayo for today's vlog. Dalawa to siya, bigay niya sa akin nung birthday ko. Siguro mga, wala pa sinatanong, 4 years ago or 5 years ago. Ito po yung isa, white or red? Red. Kay red ang sapatos natin. Gamitin natin itong mga lahas natin dito para magmukha po tayong mayaman today. Oh, kuya, hardware. Nabili ko to sa Pilipinas, guys. Hindi to bigay ni mamang, bili ko po to. Itong earrings, ito, tsaka ito. Hindi po to bigay ni mamang. Sariling sikap ko to. In fairness sa akin. Laban lang sa buhay, guys. Mag-wave-wave po tayo ng buhok. Kaya very important day for today. Wow. Lipstick na lang at saka oil. Tapos na po ako. Hindi ba akalain mo yun? Pwede na yan. So, kuyawang Inday Garnet. Siyempre, mabanguda pa tayo. Alien ang gamitin natin for today's vlog. Ito yung pabango ko. Kung gusto nyo maamoy si Inday Garnet. Yan pala ang amoy ni Inday Garnet. OOTD! Look at the sandals. So, di ba? Bagay siya. Yan ang pang-OOTD ni Inday Garnet for today's vlog. Pagpasensya niya background music natin dyan. Kaya grabe talaga. Maglinis pa tayo. Where's my husband? Where's my husband? Where's my husband, baby love?
Hello, beauty.
You like it? What do you think?
You look beautiful.
Do I look Dutch now?
No.
Kiss me. Maybe you can do your...
Hair and my pants. Yeah.
Yeah, your hair and your pants. Huh?
Nog niet.
Not yet, but later, Mama will be Dutch. Oh, are you happy that Mama will be Dutch?
Yes.
And you are Dutch and what else?
Filipino.
Very good.
Filipino.
Ano man ang ating i-shade sa ating lipstick for today's vlog? Warm Teddy. First, lagyan natin siya ng sugar dada. And then, yung ating velvet Teddy. Ayusin ko na muna to, babe. Nude tayo for today's vlog, guys. Hindi ba siguro maganito mamaya? Pero may sabihin, nakalimutan ko lang. Sunduin po muna natin si Bianan. Pick kalamig sa labas, guys. Dito pa mga coat natin. Oh, your book, bebe. Nauntog pa si Oma.
What?
Sabihin mo kay Oma, long time no see, Oma. Okay? Sabihin mo, ha? I think I'll take off his glasses, mahal. May sugat kasi siya.
Take them off now then.
Yeah. Later when Oma will
Did you
see.
bring a thing?
No, I did not. Just put it there in the...
No good.
Oh.
Because there's a lot of stuff in there. We can keep it in the car if you don't want to do
May sugat siya ba? Dito yung sugat niya, oh. Tapos parang nag-ano na
Why?
naman.
Why?
nagdugo.
What's
Because of
wrong?
the wound.
Ah, because of the wound.
Kasi naano siya ba natutulak po siya ng salamin ni Nathan. Wow! Wow, wow, wow!
Who is it here?
Look at that. Long time no see, sabihin mo.
A room for me?
No, that's for Mama. Wow! Thank you!
Is a room for me?
You're...
Oh, wat zie jij er mooi uit, Garen.
Yeah, of course.
En wat zie jij er mooi uit met je bril.
Yeah.
Prachtig.
Yeah. Wie is
Thank you, Belle. Wow. Your daughter-in-law will be Dutch today.
Yes.
Amazing.
You look great.
Thank you, Belvika.
Een Nederlandse schoondochter.
Nee hoor.
Do I look Dutch now?
No. You look like that.
Kaganda ko daw, guys, sabi ni Bianan. Pinagandaan, sabi ko sa inyo.
Wat zeg je, schat?
Pero magpalit ako ng sapatos, kaya maglakad pala tayo. This is for Yao and for Mama, yeah? Oh. Kaya gusto yun. Oh. Do you want to hold it?
Ja,
Wat voor kleuren hebben de bloemen?
Wat voor kleuren hebben de bloemen de bilab?
ik weet het al toch niet.
I will wear my shoes because then we will be... Because I'm wearing sandals now, Vika. I need to be very beautiful because
Yeah,
I'm
of
becoming
course.
that. Oh my gosh.
Ja, maar dat is veel te koud ervoor.
Ja, dat is het.
Magano tayo sapatos, guys. May ano tayo magsandal doon.
Nou, heb je er zin in?
Yeah, of course.
Ja, fijn.
Finally, after 8
Ow.
years.
Oeh, ja, after 8 years.
Yeah. I'm becoming Dutch. I should have done this years ago. Like 5 years ago, I could have been Dutch already.
Hoezo dan?
Omdat ik heb al de inburgering
Ja, die heb
gedaan.
je al heel lang gedaan.
Ja.
Alleen geen €1000 betaald.
Oh.
Je moet €1000 betalen.
Ayaw lang magbayad
Oh,
ng
dat
1,000 yun. Kaya inik mo na ito. Ang ano ba, bulaklak.
Where you going?
Ah, here.
Nee. Mama geeft mij een man.
Oh ja,
Ah. In love sa nanay ko.
Then 20 minutes.
Yeah, but we still need to walk, right?
Yeah, but it's like 10-minute walk.
Pag mag-ano po tayo, tingnan nyo, 10 minutes walk, tapos kalamig sa labas, magsusuot ako ng sandal, guys.
Not even 10-minute walk, man.
Maano pa tayo, malubong pa talaga ang sandal na yun, kay masyado po yung matulis. Ayun naman, oh. Oh, this, Moy. That's new.
Ga me zwaaien. Ja.
Meron silang pa-art dito. Oh, bago ko dyan, guys. Naar de stadhouse.
Stadhuis daar, woont de burgemeester.
Wala pa masyadong tao sa city. Katapos po natin maging Dutch today, i-treat natin yan sila ng ano, sa restaurant. So kay kaaga pa man, baka coffee, tapos a piece of cake, ganun ba. That's ba itong kasama natin, hindi mag-rice. At the city, in the morning. So, moy, grabe kalamig na pati ang mga bibig po namin nag-aso-aso, guys. See that? Now, look!
Een kerststalletje. Met kindje Jezus.
Nice.
Nou, deze zijn wel leuk.
Yeah.
Verveeld.
Beautiful.
Wat
En een ijsbeer.
en wat is dit?
Bloemetjes. Die kun je allemaal in de kerstboom hangen, hè?
Ganda ng art nila.
Een paard van Sinterklaas.
This, moy?
En er zit muizen Sinterklaas. Zie je dat? Het heerlijk avondje van Sinterklaas. Een voorlezen zoekboek.
Alam ko na kung saan po tayo pupunta. Look at that! The old tree! Super old tree! May naglinis na dito o nag-vacuum guys. Aga-aga. Nag-vacuum ng daan. Yeah, this one. Diyan tayo guys oh. Diyan po tayo magiging Dutch. Sa Stadhuis. What is Stadhuis in English, my love? What is Stadhuis in English? City house?
City Hall.
City Hall. Picture niya daw kami. Ha?
Foto,
No,
maar
yeah,
dan
yeah,
dat je de
here.
schoenen niet
I
ziet.
will put that.
Oh ja, hier bij de ding.
Yeah, I will put it now. Kaya picturean ko kayo. Ay, di ba gusto mo suotin ang sandal mo? Look at that. The City Hall. This is the old City Hall, guys. Of Leeuwarden. Maganda ang... Wow! Look at that! Oh, wow! What is that?
Oh, your feet will freeze.
That's fine. We will be inside, right?
Ja.
Yeah, but that will still take 15 minutes.
This is just for the picture and then she's putting on her shoes. Socks again.
This one, I need to take this off because I need to be beautiful. So.
Ja. En hier is de trap, hè?
Hey, Bastos, do I need to take my coat off too? I will be cold.
Papa, you need to be here in the middle of Mama and Papa here.
Why?
Because for the picture.
Handje voor papa en een handje voor mama.
Yeah. 1, 2, picture.
Hoi, oma,
Ay,
kijk aan.
I just me and Papa, babe. Me and Papa.
Jij doet zo een beetje. Pictures.
Pictures of Dutch people?
Ja.
Dami ng tao, guys. As
Van burgemeesters of zo.
Ja.
Stadhouders, weet je.
This is the old,
De loper.
yun na nga, City Hall.
My sister didn't die in the store.
Di na pala tayo magpa-coffee sa labas, guys. Meron na sila dito, oh. Meron tayong cookie, coffee, and tea.
Het is niet een lichtpakje, laat ik het zo zeggen.
Ang isa din. Pa 360 tayo, guys. Look at that. Nalibre pa ang coffee natin dito. We were about to go to the restaurant, Bika, to have coffee and tea, but this one is free.
Dutch.
Very Dutch.
Mahal. It's not free. It's 1,000 euros mahal.
1,100 euros. I paid for this one, guys. Ay, gabi ka mahal. Bayad pa tayo sa passport. But when can I get the passport?
Vanaf vrijdag.
Goed aanvraag.
Tinatanong po kay Daniel doon kung kukuha kami sa ngayong Friday kasi ano ba ngayon? Wednesday. Sa Friday pwede na ako kumuha ng passport. Tapos tinanong kung ilang araw makaabot ba na madala ko siya sa Pinas. Kaya marami akong nakikita ngayon sa Facebook, guys, na mga na-upload sa immigration po, hindi makalabas. Kaya mas mabuti na may ano po tayo ng passport, Dutch passport.
Nederlandse vlag met een vrouw.
Where? Oh yeah, there. That's nice. Para sa ating pa-Japan, di ba?
Make an appointment for Friday.
Yeah. Then we can get it soon, right? Also. Hindi tayo makalakad sa labas nito. Sandal-sandal tayo.
Are you happy guys? Dutch na ang hinday nyo. Pero mag-dual po ako, no? Dual citizen. Siyempre, hindi ko i-alis ang ating pagka-Pinoy. I'm proud to be Pinoy, guys.
Dalawa na ang ating bouquet from Bianan and from the
Government. He is not the mayor, Vika.
No, he's the local. He's the second mayor.
second mayor.
Because our mayor is working for the government.
Dutch.
Dutch.
I am Dutch.
Ik ben Nederlander.
Yeah. And si Nathan, ano si Nathan? What is Nathan?
Nederlander.
Dutch and? Lahat daw ng tao na nandoon magkuha ng passport, no? Kita-kita tayo doon. Kunin agad natin yan. And then, after 6 days, right? I can get my passport. You said?
5 working days.
6
working days.
Yeah. Let's do that, mahal. Because I've seen a lot of, what is that? Videos about people who are...
Filipino?
Yeah, Filipino.
So the Filipinos themselves are having more trouble?
Yeah, with the immigration in the Philippines. Nakalabas naman tayo, no? Pero manigurado lang ba? Kaya dalhin din namin si Derich. Mabuti na yung meron po talaga tayong na strong document. Ngayon lang namin nakita ito ba? They also have painting there, mahal. This news...
Nee, dit hebben ze wel vaker open.
Ah, okay.
Dat heb ik nog nooit gezien.
Me too.
Nee.
May books, may mga paintings. Proud of me?
Very proud.
I'm Dutch now, mahal. Can you believe that? You have a Dutch wife. Oh, not Filipina anymore?
You are still Filipino. Now I am the only one with a single nationality in my family.
Yeah. Pag kasal kayo, guys, pwede ka mag-dual citizen. Pero pag hindi po kayo kasal, you are not allowed to do a dual citizen. Pwede naman daw, pero yung patago ba? Na parang hindi sabihin. Something ganun. May narinig ako. What do they have here?
Wij liepen hier net langs. Nathan wou even naar binnen.
Vika, that's their business? Yes. Oh. Kapitbahay niya.
Yeah.
May store. Very big store, Vika.
Ja, hele grote winkel.
May business sila dyan. Yung tabi talaga ng bahay niya. Na nga. What do you want, Bebe Love? Halika. Nandito naman lang tayo sa city. Yung birthday ko kasi may binigay sa akin si Diana na gift card ba, 50 euros. Dito na store. Ngayon pa po natin kunin. Ito ba yung mga pang-amoy-amoy? Yung 'di ba meron akong ginagamit ngayon na kandila doon sa baba ng bahay sa may kusina. Dito po yun galing. Nagbigay siya sa akin worth 50 euros na gift card. Dami nila dito, guys. Everything here I can get.
Ja.
The bone is there, mahal, inside the bag.
Okay. How much is the bon?
50.
50 dacht ik.
50.
Yeah.
Candle for 50 euros.
One candle for...
One candle.
That's how expensive it is. No, 40 euros, man. Uy, this one. So vanilla. So milky.
Ja, oké.
And this one?
Oké, die is dus niet. Die zit er ook.
May 25% ano po siya po. Sale. What is that?
Sandalwood.
Ganito kasi yung binigay niya sa akin. Nalala niya. This one, the one you gave me, Vika?
Ja?
Yeah, something
Okay.
like this. 50%.
Er is haast te veel, hè?
Yeah. Magbalik na lang. Sabi ko, magbalik ako dito. Ako lang mag-isa. Para ano ba? Yung ano po tayo. Relax.
Dan heb je alle luchtjes.
Mga cologne, may perfume din po sila. Balik ako dito. When I'm alone, I'll go here. Hindi ako makakonsentrate. Dito na, uwi na tayo, guys. Yun na yun. Yeah, magbili muna tayo ng ano, pa-cake, guys. Kaya doon lang daw tayo kay Bianan. I will get you! I will get you! Kikabo!
Hij is er niet hoor, hij is er niet. Hij is er niet hoor, hij is er niet.
Nou, we gaan naar de Hema. Vind jij dat leuk?
Gaan we het lekker halen.
You think it's nice? Is it funny? Damit pang bata, oh.
Black Friday na guys. 22% for agoy. Doon tayo sa Hema guys. May mga pa-cake yan sila dyan. Let's go. Oh. Hand for your mond. Cheese, you want cheese? Here is your cheese. May itlog ako si Manong. Beep, beep, beep. Is this an ambulance? Na ito. Nilagyan ni Biana ng coins. Wow! Wow!
Happy.
Wow! Now! €1, Vika? 50 cents. Ah?
What's that?
Now, kijk hier voor de foto met oma. Kijk hier voor de foto met oma. Foto oma. 1, 2. Goed zo. You want a cup of cake?
No,
Wat then?
I don't want a cup of cake.
A pie. Ay, a cup of a piece of cake. A slice of cake. Hi, baby love. Oh, what do you want? This yummy. Okay. Mga chocolate. Wow. Dito sila nagpapagupit o si Bianan din dyan guys sa Cap Salon. Oh! Na. Ibaba na ang apo.
You wanted coffee or tea?
Coffee please.
With soy milk?
Soy milk, yeah.
Because they don't have half of it.
Oh no?
It doesn't
Ja,
have
dat hou
Okay,
je niet
Jess.
van.
Wow!
Met het paard van Sinterklaas.
Very Dutch, guys. Look at
Kan
that.
ik met de cadeau?
Weer met cadeautjes? Nou, dat kan hoor.
Okay.
But you became Dutch, Maha.
Yeah.
Why are you answering in such a Filipino way?
No, I don't want you to work a lot, man. Good.
Yeah,
Because
that's what
they're
I'm saying.
asking.
Why are you answering in such a Filipino way? Say it in the Dutch way. Yes, I want it foamed. I want it with more words.
Ja.
Ano kasi ba, gumagawa ng kape tapos yung foamed milk sana. Sabi ko, wag na lang. Kaya para hindi na masyado maraming gawin. Be Dutch. Ito kasi yung foam ba? Gawin pa siya. Nahiya ako. But we need to be more direct now, okay? We are Dutch. We need to say everything what's in our head. What for coffee is it, Vika?
Polite.
Huh?
Beleefd.
What is belief?
Polite.
Ah, polite. Yeah.
Polite.
Direct and polite.
En with respect.
And with respect.
Ja, maar water is niet slecht.
Yummy from the Hema, Vika.
Ja, die zijn lekker. Lekkerder dan van de
Yeah, Albertine.
Albert Heijn.
Siyempre, hindi tayo halis dito na hindi tayo maka-board game. Kaya ang isa dito, adik, liwat sa papa.
Papa, Nathan, he is the one
No,
who
I'm
said
saying
got
ba
it
that
here.
he got it from you, that super addicted to board games.
Oh, okay.
Oh. So I wake up in the morning. Ikaw, Debe, magsing ka. Dali. Let him mahal. Again, ayusin mo. 1, 2, 3, go. So I wake up. Gara siya. Ayusin mo. Bahala ka dyan, eh. Isa pa. Ayusin mo, ha?
And I wake in the morning and I step outside. I drink this fly.
And I can't really hide and I scream the top of my lungs.
What's going on?
And I say,
Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yay.
I said hey. Yay?
What go? Yay.
On.